Helmet laws and their impact on motorcycle accident insurance. The discourse surrounding helmet laws and their ramifications on motorcycle accident insurance is a nuanced one, embodying considerations of individual liberties, public safety, and economic implications. Advocates posit that mandatory helmet laws are a vital safeguard against head injuries, whereas opponents stress the autonomy of choice for riders. Understanding helmet laws. The purpose of helmet laws. Mandatory helmet laws serve as a crucial safety measure for motorcycle riders. Studies consistently show that wearing a helmet drastically reduces the risk of head injuries during accidents. In fact, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, helmets are estimated to be 37% effective in preventing fatal injuries to motorcycle riders. Additionally, the enforcement of helmet laws cultivates a culture of responsible riding, instilling a mindset of caution and vigilance among motorcyclists. Helmet laws are not only about safety, they also carry legal weight. In states where helmet use is mandated, non-compliance can lead to significant penalties, including fines, points on the rider's license, and even potential suspension of riding privileges. Understanding the legal ramifications is crucial for all riders, as ignorance of the law is not an acceptable defense. Furthermore, in the unfortunate event of an accident, non-compliance with helmet laws may affect liability in insurance claims. Insurance companies may scrutinize whether the rider was adhering to local laws, which can potentially impact the coverage or compensation received. Our Colorado motorcycle accident lawyers have seen the challenges of pursuing insurance claims when crash victims were not wearing a helmet. States with mandatory helmet laws. Certain states have embraced comprehensive helmet laws, which mandate all riders, regardless of age or experience, to wear protective headgear. This stringent approach stems from the belief that universal helmet use is the most effective way to mitigate head injuries in accidents. However, such legislation can be met with resistance from some segments of the riding community, who argue that it infringes upon their personal freedom. In contrast, other states adopt a more nuanced stance, implementing helmet laws that apply selectively to certain groups, such as novice riders, those below a certain age, or individuals without a specific level of insurance coverage. This approach acknowledges the importance of protective headgear while affording some flexibility to experienced riders. States like Florida and Texas exemplify this approach, reflecting a compromise between personal choice and safety mandates. Conclusion. The debate surrounding helmet laws is a multifaceted one, encompassing considerations of individual freedom, public safety, and economic impact. Striking the right balance between personal choice and collective well-being is a challenge that policymakers, riders, and insurers grapple with. Ultimately, it is imperative to acknowledge that this discourse extends far beyond matters of regulation. It is a conversation that affects the lives and livelihoods of riders across the nation. FAQs. Do helmet laws apply to all riders? Helmet laws vary by state, with some mandating protective headgear for all riders, while others have more specific requirements based on factors like age and experience. What are the potential legal consequences for not wearing a helmet? In states with mandatory helmet laws, non-compliance can result in fines, points on the rider's license, and potential suspension of riding privileges. How do helmet laws impact insurance coverage in accidents? Non-compliance with helmet laws may be a factor considered by insurance companies when determining liability and coverage in the event of an accident. Are there exceptions to helmet laws for medical reasons? Some states may have provisions for individuals with medical conditions that make wearing a helmet impractical or dangerous. What should riders consider when choosing a helmet? Riders should select helmets that meet safety standards, fit properly, and provide adequate protection for their specific riding needs and preferences.